Hi Jets, welcome back. It's Apple and Annie again, and in this video we will cover sections 2.5 to 2.7. Let's get started.
First, on section 2.5, solving equations using addition or subtraction. Let's define some key terms.
Inverse operations are two operations that undo each other, such as addition and subtraction.
Equivalent equations is when you perform the same inverse operation on each side of an equation, and you obtain an equivalent equation. And equivalent equations have the same solution.
Next, the addition property of equality is when you add the same number to each side of an equation and it produces an equivalent equation. Numerically, if x minus 3 is 5, then x minus 3 plus 3 is 5, or x is 8. Algebraically, x minus a is b, then x minus plus a is b plus a, or x is equal to b plus a.
Moving on to some example problems.
First, negative 23 plus x is 80, so x is 103.
Second, x minus 9 is 9, so 18 is x.
Third, x minus 34 is 70, thus x is 104.
Moving on to section 2.6, solving equations using multiplication or division.
The division property of equality is dividing each side of an equation by the same non-zero number that produces an equivalent equation. Numerically, if 3x is 12, then 3x divided by 3 is the same as 12 divided by 3, or x is 4. Algebraically, if ax is b and a can't be 0, then ax divided a is equal to b divided by a, or x is equal to b divided by a.
The multiplication property of equality is multiplying each side of an equation by the same non-zero number, which produces an equivalent equation. Numerically, if x divided by 3 is 12, then 3 times x divided by 3 is 3 times 12, or x is 36. Algebraically, if x divided by a is b, and a is not equal to 0, then a times x divided by a is a times b, or x is equal to ab.
Moving on to some example problems.
First, negative 90 is equal to 4x plus 5x. Next, negative 90 is equal to 9x. If you divide 9 to both sides, then negative 10 is x.
Second, negative 3 times 2 is 360. It follows that negative 6x is equal to 360 and x is negative 60.
Lastly, let's go to 2.7 on decimal operations and equations with decimals.
First, 4.5 plus x is equal to 5.93, and x is 1.43.
Second, 48.6 is equal to x minus 32. Thus, x is 80.
Woohoo! You finished chapter 2!
See you next time to learn sections 3.1 to 3.3.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Bye!